Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about my travel essentials. Okay, so when I'm traveling, these are the products that are must-have that I take with me. So first off, I want to talk to you about my microdose serums. I take my beta-hydroxy microdose serum. This is the one with the beta-hydroxy, azelaic acid, niacinamide. I take this again because of my oily combination skin. I find that when I travel, my skin does a lot of weird things and I really need to control the oil, control the pores. So I use that microdose in the morning. The other microdose that I must have at nighttime is going to be, again, my retinol microdosing with the azelaic and niacinamide. So those two travel essentials, that really helps me with the pores in the morning. The other one's going to help with that, with the retinol, with the renewing. So I never really want to be without those, okay? So that kind of sets me up my framework for the goals for my skin. Clear skin, reduce the visibility of pores, right? And also fight the visible signs of aging. Those are really important to me, and this is how I do it for my skin type. The other part of the essentials that I have when I'm traveling is my antioxidants, okay? I really take my antioxidants seriously for my skincare. They boost my skincare. I do use two different kinds of antioxidants. Studies are showing now that you can actually mix them together if you want. I keep them separated, so I'm going to be, continuing to do it that way. But when you're traveling, there's a lot of UV damage, there's a lot of free radical damage, there's a lot of stuff going on. So in the daytime, I use my vitamin C, 15% vitamin C with Ferulic, very important. That to me protects my skin. So I'm using that with my microdose. Nighttime, I'm with my retinol, I'm using my glutathione, my Glutathiosome with the growth factor. So in the daytime, I consider, so in my brain, this is how I'm looking at it, is that my vitamin C is protecting against free radicals, really protecting against that sun damage as well. At nighttime, the glutathiosome is working more on the repair. So anything that happened in the day that I need a little boost with, I've got my glutathiosome at nighttime. My other travel essential day and night, my fast lift eye serum for around the eye area. This is the only eye product I use. I love fast lift eye serum. It really helps refresh the entire eye area. It's lightweight, it's oil-free. It just goes on so nicely. It's so refreshing, and it's really great to have when you're traveling because I tend to get really tired eyes, some places where you go, it gets dry. So you really want to, again, hydrate, and then of course, moisturizer. So those are my serums. The moisturizing part of my essential for travel is, first of all, daytime is my sunscreen. I love our sunscreen, zinc oxide based sunscreen. This is really important because it also moisturizes. So we have the hydration, we have the UV protection. You can't skip this. If you ever think about anti-aging or you want your skin to look really good for the rest of your life, you need to use sunscreen. There's no way out of it. It's one of the healthiest things you can do. So when you're traveling, take a sunscreen. I like ours as well because you can use it on the body as well as the face. So this does double duty for me as I'm traveling. And at nighttime, I really want to get into a little bit richer kind of protection for my skin. So I use the Ceramide Barrier Relief. I sometimes combine that with the glutathiosome for a little bit added boost at nighttime. But when you're traveling, you shouldn't skip out on what's essential for your skin. And sometimes I think it's more important when you're traveling to really be deliberate in your skincare. Really think about, what do I have? Do I have the essentials? It's not just cleaning your skin and then getting on with it or hiding it with makeup. You really want to feed it properly. You want to protect it against the environment. So that means the sunscreen, but it also means the other things that go with it. Keep that filter clean of your skin, protect it against the UV, and then keep that barrier of your skin nice and strong and nourished. I look forward to hearing about your travel essentials. These are mine. If you have any questions and comments, I look forward to them too, so reach out anytime. It's always great to share information with each other. You know, we're traveling, we're going around the world, and we're exposing our skin to so many different things, and it's really great to have those essentials that'll keep our skin in great shape no matter what, you know, time zone we're in, no matter what we're doing. And also, I know for me that when my skin is taken care of well, I enjoy my trip. I enjoy what I'm doing more because I'm not worried about my skincare. So pack well, make sure you have the right skincare. I find that these travel so well and really have keep my skin looking really, really good no matter where I go. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you soon.